Hi guys, it's Miss Jenny. I got a special request from someone in the 5th grade to do a step-by-step drawing of a space shuttle. So that's what I'm going to do today, a step-by-step drawing of a space shuttle. There's 5 steps. As you can see, I already added some extra details. I added the sun, Mercury, and Venus. So I'm going to make the space shuttle, and then after that I think I might add Earth and Mars. All right. So the first step of our space shuttle is this long pointy part. It's the center of the space shuttle. So our space shuttle is going to be right, I'm going to make it pointier. And I'm doing this on a dry erase board, but you can do it on a piece of paper with markers or crayons, on a small piece of paper with a pencil is fine. Now we have step 2. Step 2, we're adding 2 rectangles on the side here, and then we're adding 1 rectangle in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line coming out, then I'm going to go up and back in, and then I'm going to go to the bottom on the other side. I'm going to draw a line coming out, I'm going to go up and back in. And they don't have to be perfect the same size, just try your best. And then I'm going to add that center rectangle. It's slender, it's really thin, right in the center. And I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to jump back up and then go down. And there it is. The third part, we're going to finish the wings on the side of our space shuttle. So they look like they're triangles. I am going to put a spot, like a little dot in the center of this long piece on both sides, because that's where I'm going to start my triangle, and then I'm going to end my triangle here because we already have the base and the side. So I'm going to make a diagonal line from that spot down to the end here, and then I'm going to make a diagonal line from this spot down the other side. So now we have our 2 space shuttle wings. The next part is, it looks like this is an area for the astronauts to look out of, a windshield. So it's 2 horizontal lines. That means lines that are going side to side. They're lying down, not standing up. We're going to make 2 horizontal lines. And then in the center of those 2 horizontal lines, we're going to make a vertical line. And there's the vertical line. So that is where the astronauts are going to look out the windshield. And then we're on step 5. And step 5, it's the 2 pieces at the bottom here. They look like they're the rocket boosters. So that's where the flames and the smoke comes out when the space shuttle is going to blast off into outer space. So they look like they're also 2 rectangles. So I'm going to go down, over, and then back up. And then I'm going to go down from this side and back up. So those are my 2 rocket boosters. So my space shuttle is done. I did all my 5 steps of my space shuttle. And now here at the bottom it says, more doodle fun. You can draw stars and planets in the sky around your space shuttle. And like I said, I drew a sun already, and I drew Mercury, I put an M, and I did Venus. And you know what? I'm going to draw Earth. So I'm going to make Earth about the size of Venus. It doesn't matter the distance between Venus and Mars and Earth. So there's my Earth, a nice circle. And I'm going to color it in. And then I'm just going to add like little splats of green so that those could be the land masses in Earth. And they're not exact because I'm not a science teacher. So little splats of green to be our Earth. And why not? I think I'm going to add Mars, the red planet, because I have a red expo marker. I didn't have a yellow one, that's why our sun is orange. And I'm going to add Mars here, comes after Earth. And then I'll just color it in. So like I said, I'm doing this on a dry erase board because I didn't want to use too much paper because I'm going to be making some other pictures later. But you can do it on a piece of paper. You can do it on a dry erase board if you have one. You can do it on lined paper, any kind of paper you have, scrap paper, any kind of paper you have. And when you're finished, if you want, you can take a picture with your space shuttle and have mommy and daddy send it to me so that I could see it. And the last thing I'm going to do, actually it's not the last thing. 2 more things. I'm gonna write space shuttle, and then I'm also going to add some flames from the bottom of our space shuttle. Add some black for the smoke. There you go. And then I'm gonna write space shuttle to practice a little bit of handwriting. So we're gonna do our S. We'll do it all in lowercase. P, A, C, E, and then we're gonna write shuttle. S, U, S-H, sorry, S-H, then the U, T, T, L, and E. And another name for the space shuttle is also a rocket ship. Someone else mentioned rocket ship when I showed this picture to someone else. So rocket ship. All right, there you have it. There is the space shuttle. I miss you guys. I hope to see you really soon. Bye.